In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage email marketing tasks in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable system to plan campaigns, assign work, meet deadlines, and measure results, all in one place. Start by signing into your ClickUp account and creating a dedicated space for marketing. Choose spaces, then create a new one and give it a clear name like marketing or email campaigns so everyone knows what it's for. While you're there, take a moment to customize settings. Set up task statuses and default views that match your workflow so your team sees the right information from day one. Inside that space, create a folder called Email Marketing Campaigns. This is your home base that keeps every campaign grouped together, making it easy to find what you need and avoid clutter. Within the folder, create a list for each campaign. Name each list by its purpose and time frame, like January newsletter or product launch emails. Treat each list as the container for everything related to that specific campaign, from planning to post-send analysis. Now add tasks for every step of the email process. Create a task for drafting the content, another for designing the template, one for review and approval, one for scheduling the send, and one for analyzing results. If you're working with a team, assign each task to the right person and use the task description to include briefs, links, or assets so context is never lost. Set due dates for each task to lock in your timeline and avoid last-minute scrambles. Use priorities, urgent, high, normal, or low, to call out critical items like compliance checks or final approvals. If you want more structured data, add custom fields to your list. Common examples include email type, audience segment, and fields to capture metrics like open rate and click rate. These make reporting smoother later. Quick note, if you don't have ClickUp yet, there's a link at the top of the description to access the website and download the app, so you can follow along easily. As work progresses, keep statuses updated to reflect where each task stands, such as drafting, reviewing, scheduled, sent, or completed. This gives everyone instant visibility. Switch between views to plan and monitor efficiently. Use List View for a detailed rundown, Board View to drag tasks through statuses like a Kanban board, Calendar View to see exact send dates, and Timeline View to plan across weeks or months. After your emails are sent, mark tasks as completed. Then record your analytics in the custom fields or comments. Use those insights to refine your next campaigns. That's it for today. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the top of the description for the ClickUp link. Thanks for watching,